Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my gadget kitchen. So I'm doing this quick video because I was tagged in a, what's it called? Hold on. In a crazy about food tag. And I was tagged by Ellen's Homemade Delight. Hey girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer these questions and let's see if I'm crazy about food. Okay, so the first question is, what food would you eat every day? So I love Mexican food, so I'll say anything that's Mexican food, especially some tacos. What's your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is Gordon Ramsay Steak. They have some pork belly that is bomb. I love that place. What city has the best food you've ever had? Hands down, New Orleans. Everything I eat there is delicious. What do you get on your sub? Same thing everybody else does. Some meat, some cheese, some veggies. What do you get on your pizza? I keep it simple. It's just like pepperoni. Is there a food that you have always wanted to try? Well, not anymore. I had been wanting to try escargot, but I was recently able to have that over Christmas when we were on our Disney cruise. They served escargot one night and I got some and it was good. Reminds me of mussels. The texture reminds me of mussels, but yeah, pretty good. All right, let's see. I lost my spot. Oh, tell me about your worst restaurant experience. Okay, so this just happened like a couple weeks ago. Oh my goodness, it was so devastating. So I took my oldest to the Cheesecake Factory and guess what? They didn't have any wheat bread. And they hadn't even put none in the oven. And then there was a table next to us and they had wheat bread. They had got the last of it and they didn't even eat it. It was tragic. Me and my son were devastated. It was awful. Okay, who's the better cook, mom or dad? Hands down, my mama. What is one food that you just fail at making? Meatloaf. Like, it's not hard, but it's just not bomb. Like when I make meatloaf, like it's cool, it's good, like you can eat it, but it's not like delicious. Like my other food be like delicious. I'd be like, this is good, but meatloaf, I'm like, So like I rarely even make it. I haven't even attempted it in probably like 2 years, but I definitely need to revisit meatloaf because it's really not that hard. I don't know why I can't just make it work, but yeah. So let's see. Name your least favorite foods. I don't really have a least favorite. I'm super greedy. I like to eat everything. So I don't know, maybe asparagus, but I eat it, but I don't necessarily like buy it all the time to cook. So I don't know, maybe that's my least favorite. Raw or cooked veggies. I prefer them cooked. How do you like your steak? I like mine medium. Do you enjoy cooking or baking better? I love them equally, actually. I love to cook and I love to bake. So I can't choose. Let's see. What's your favorite fast food place? That's like actually really hard. I don't know. I guess like the place that I go to the most when I do have fast food is Wendy's. So maybe that or Raising Cane's. But you know, my tagline is get out of the drive-thru and into the kitchen. I'm cooking, y'all. I'm not at the drive-thru or fast food place. Come on now. So let's see. The next one says, name a food place that you wish was closer to you. Cracker Barrel. I love their pancakes. They're so good. So yeah, I wish there was a Cracker Barrel closer to my house. Ultimate favorite dessert. Ooh, cheesecake. And it can be like any flavor. Salted caramel, strawberry, Oreo, whatever. I just love cheesecake. It's delicious. Okay. What food do you gravitate more towards at a party or get together? Anything that's hot. So chicken wings, pizza, whatever, anything that's like cooked and hot. I don't want a veggie tray, cheese tray. I don't want grapes or strawberries. Give me something hot. I'm hungry. Let's see, favorite foods to eat at Christmas. Usually have gumbo at Christmas. So yeah, gumbo. What's the first food that comes to mind right now? Chicken wings. I would love to have some chicken wings right now, but my wings are in the freezer and I don't feel like dealing with them, but yeah. Do you have any wild food habits? Wild food habits? I don't really know what that is. No, I don't know. No. Okay. What holiday is your favorite for food? Oh, come on now. Thanksgiving. That's when you get to tear it up. You eat like 5,000 different items from dessert to the main course and the sides and all that stuff. Hands down, Thanksgiving. All right. What's one food you'd never try? I already told you guys I'm greedy. I'll pretty much try anything. I mean, except for like bugs. I'm not eating bugs. So if you're serving up bugs, no thank you. Do you know your best friend's favorite food? Yes, it's steak. And what's the best thing that your mom makes? Dressing, cornbread dressing. Yum, yum, yum. What's your favorite style of eggs? I like them over medium. So sunny side up, but medium. So not too runny, but I don't like the yolk cooked all the way through. I actually have an air fryer video. You guys should check out how I make my over medium eggs. All right, name your favorite restaurant that is closed down. The Pancake House. Well, no, the original Pancake House. I think that's what it was called. Anyways, they used to have a really great breakfast, and one location burnt down and they closed another one. But yeah, anyways, I wish they would come back because their breakfast was really good. And let's see, do you like your bread toasted light or dark? I like it medium. And do you like spicy foods? Yes, I do. And do you like seafood? I love seafood. And finally, first food that comes to mind that is green. Avocado, because I'm looking at two that I wasted my money on because I took too long to eat them and now they're looking sad. I don't know if these are gonna even be good anymore. So anyways, those are the questions that I had to ask. So now it's my turn to tag some people. So here's who I'm tagging. Okay, so the 3 YouTubers I'm tagging are Simply Cooking with Latanya, hey girl, Mel's Simple Meals, hey Mel, and Cooking with Rick, hey Rick. So I guess it's your guys' turn to go ahead and answer these 30 questions. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.